Welcome to Virtual Reality Reborn. I recently got the Quest 2 after having the Quest 1 for a couple of years. I've always been into games from the BBC, the C64, the Mega Drive, the golden age of arcade machines, and now in 2022/2023, I'm now into virtual reality. I mean, I even remember movies such as The Lawnmower Man and thinking, wow, that would be great to have. I also like to learn. That's one of my favorite things to do. And I'm on a mission to try and bring the classic games to VR. Why? Because it's sometimes easier to figure out the mechanics on the simpler games. And one of my all-time favorites is the Tron series. And back in the day, they had a game called Discs of Tron. And I want to try and replicate that. I want to get that total immersion of being on the spinning disc. I want to recreate the light cycles and how to code disc battles in VR. So I'll be sharing my development journey using Unity, tackling those challenges, and I know I will fail, but hey, that's the fun, right? And showcasing my solutions to the problems that will come up. I'll be doing the odd game review and hopefully sharing the latest VR technology news. This is my personal journey in the world of VR. So if you want to join me as I learn and grow within the community, then make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe. So I'm excited about VR, and that's what I want to communicate to you, my love for it. I'm Steve, and thanks for watching Virtual Reality Reborn.